All right, guys, job number 2 of the day. Looks like we got about 18 panels, I think. So let's get the gear and let's get going. All right, second job of the day always goes faster than the first job. As you saw there a second ago, we did a little pre-rinse, which some panels, we've noticed that we don't really have to do a pre-rinse, but it's always a good idea to start with the pre-rinse if you're up there, because what it does is it removes like the majority of the dirt off, but you still do have to scrub because as you can see to the right there, those bottom layer panels are drying. They still kind of have a film on there, so you got to get that bristled brush out and scrub them down. We also like to stay on top of the roof until they can start to dry, because even though you scrub them left to right a bunch of times, for whatever reason, every now and then you'll always get a small little holiday, is what we call it, and a holiday is just a spot that you missed. So this one went smooth. We also did the pool warmer real quick, just make it look nice and shiny,
Even though it'll look the same once it dries.
on to the next one.